Hi guys, just wanted to explain the set screw and threaded design of the Aqua Weed Stick. So this tool is intended and engineered to fit onto just about any threaded handle on the market. So whether it be, a standard broom handle, so this one here is just a 4-foot broom handle, just a standard one you get at the hardware store, or an extendable handle here. So this one is used for paint rollers. It extends and collapses. It allows you to pick whichever handle you would like to use, whatever length that fits best with your boat, and it allows you to screw it on just to those threads, and then you just simply tighten using the Allen wrench that is provided. Tighten that set screw right here, just a couple twists, and then you have it tightened, so that way it locks it into place. So if you have a large clump of weeds, it does not rotate the head. It is able to maintain its position no matter what.